Thanks, Alex. So we're going to look at some improvements to the direct editing tools within SolidWorks 2015 now, and we're really going to focus on the move face functionality, which has seen a number of improvements here in this version. Firstly, we now have support within the move face tool for multi-body solids. So here we've got a number of bodies, 13 in total in this particular file set. And what we'll see is that we can now use move face on multiple faces all at once. So I can window round those faces there, it will select all of the ones for me. The next improvement we'll see is we now get the ability to drag a triad directly on screen to adjust the length of the move face tool. So we can drop that down and we can key in a value directly on screen and right click to enter. But before we do that, I'm just going to show some of the planes here within the system, and we're going to look at some of the different end conditions that we now have in this tool. So one of those is up to surface, so we can now use that up to surface end condition. And if we pre-select the face we're going from as the reference and then the face that we're going to, you'll see we get that nice end condition that we're after. Now, with the support for up to surface, we also get the support for offset from surface. So again, we can now just key in a value on screen here and make the changes that we want to that feature. And if we just say OK, it's going to add that extension on for us. With the up to surface and up to face end conditions, we now also see the ability to do a translate up to body. So with the addition of that multi-body support, we can now get a much more accurate and easy sort of transfer from one body to another. So in previous releases that would have been quite difficult to do. And finally, just to sort of compound the improvements to the tool set here, we can use the move face tool to make quite radical edits to multiple bodies within this multi-body file here. So I can just Windows select all of those end faces on a variety of different bodies and just drag the triad to a position that I'm happy with and make quite a substantial change to this product with relative ease. Okay, so we've seen multi-body support within the move face tool, the ability to use the triad for dynamic edits, and the improved direction and depth options within the tool set as well. Alex is going to take us through sketch improvements now.